tignan nyo kung gaano kaganda. Oh, ito ang tinatawag na dried pho. This is dried pho, right? Actually, ito daw yung pinakamasarap actually. Sabi ni Dylan. Lalakad na naman tayo. Ayan, so ngayon nakikishare tayo ng table kasi ganun din naman yung kultura nila dito. Mas nagustuhan ko siya kung parang nakaraan. Hello guys! I'm back again with another video at ngayon tayo po ay mag-food tour and actually, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo before na gustong-gusto ko yung mga ganitong klaseng tour dahil malalaman natin deep inside kung ano nga ba yung story behind the food, ganyan. And actually before, meron na akong ginawa, ilalagay ko dito yung mismong photo nung mismong unang food tour ko at ngayon ito yung second. And this food tour, meron siyang kasamang train street option. And ngayon, if ever kung magugustuhan nyo yung tour na to, yung link ilalagay ko dyan sa ibaba. And also, feel free to use my code PaulIvanClub para magkaroon kayo ng extra 5% off discount. Ngayon, let's go! Guys, ngayon nakita na natin ang ating tour guide. Say hello, Dylan!
Hello guys! My name is Dylan.
Yeah, so ngayon siya ang makakasama natin sa entire food tour natin. So Dylan, where are we heading right now?
Now we are going to the first part. Just name they serve the steamed rice rolls. Just eat the popular breakfast in Vietnam.
Okay, so how far is it from here?
It's only 200 meters.
200 meters.
Yeah.
Kasi guys, share ko lang sa inyo, itong mismong tour na to ay walking tour siya. Kaya hindi tayo dito nakamotor, ganyan, hindi tayo dito ano pa man na kahit anong mode of transportation, walking siya, di ba? Para mas dama. So guys, ina-explain sa atin ni Dylan na dito daw sa Vietnam ngayon ay winter. First day daw ngayon. Actually, specifically dito sa Hanoi. And nararamdaman ko siya, malamig nga. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito kalamig kasi kahapon hindi malamig. Kaya nakakatuwa din at naabutan na naman natin ng ganitong klaseng taglamig.
We are in the tourist attraction.
Tourist attraction.
And just it belong to the old quarter.
This is old quarter, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
And maybe the part you can see is so small.
Okay.
Yeah, but when you come to the outside of the old quarter, you can see the path. The road is wider than.
Yeah, wider. Like the road between the airport and going to here.
Yes, right.
It's wide.
Right. From the airport to the
okay, so tayo English. Yes, yes. Okay, so ngayon tayo sa first stop natin. Dito tayo pupunta sa Hanoi Maya Kitchen. May cooking class pala dito. Though hindi natin yung nabook, pero next time, ayan, sundan natin si Dylan. Let's go in. Ay, dito sa masisikip tayo dadaan. Oh, this one. Cool. Okay. Dito guys, di ba? Oh, let's go. Ito yung itsura. Ayan. So, first stop ko. Let's check. And let's see. Papakita ko sa inyo yung labas. Ayan yung itsura ng labas, oh. Okay guys, ngayon, ang first nating food is roast pho. Ayan, as you can see. Tapos dito meron ditong parang dip. I think this is a fish sauce, right?
Of course.
Fish
but
sauce.
Just eat the special version of fish sauce. In the northern Vietnam, we eat the fish sauce is very light.
Yeah, it's very light. Actually, I tasted this one before too. In the Philippines, the flavor is very strong of the fish sauce.
Yeah.
But this here in Vietnam,
very
it's light and kind of sweet a little.
Yes, a little sweet because they would added some vinegar and a little water and sugar.
Okay. So you wanna eat? It's very. You eat if you want. It's okay. It's
yeah,
okay.
Of course. Yeah,
it's okay.
I will take one.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, ngayon kumain na tayo. And actually, binigyan ko siya kasi ayaw niyong kumain. So ngayon, let's eat.
Yeah, let's eat.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So ito yung itsura niya, guys. Napakita ko sa inyo. Meron siyang gulay sa loob, tapos meron siyang meat, tapos meron parang carrots.
Yeah.
And what are the ingredients of this? Wait, kumakain pala siya. Kumakain pala siya. He's eating. Wait.
Wait. Yeah. Ôi, cho tao hỏi cái thịt này nó thịt bò ấy. Okay.
Sarap.
We have a beef here, a little bit, a snack.
Yeah.
Carrot. Yes, and mango.
Mango. There's a mango.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
The yellow one.
Masarap siya guys, kaya hindi ko natitikman yung mango. I told them that it's delicious, but I'm not what do you call this? I can taste the mango.
Yeah, this is mango. The fresh mango. How did you feel?
Good.
Have you tried before?
Masarap means delicious in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
This one. But this one, I think I tasted it before.
Oh, really?
But this one first time. Good to guys. Masarap siya.
Special thing in Vietnamese food that is depend on the flavor. If you want some savory you can put some fish sauce like this, the original fish sauce.
This one?
Yeah, but if you want more sweet, we also have the topping like sugar. Yeah.
You need more?
I don't think so.
You can?
Of course, but
Grabe. Buti hindi tayo nag-breakfast buffet dahil dito palang tour natin, mabubusog na tayo. I told them that I didn't eat breakfast in the hotel because today is food tour.
so you don't need to have breakfast and lunch today.
Yeah, too many. Sarap! Sarap to. Yeah. Guys, ito yung ating next food. Ito ang tinatawag na dried pho. This is dried pho, right?
Yes, dry pho and no, not dry.
Not dried. There's a mixture.
Just eat the pho.
This one.
Yeah.
This is the dried.
Yes, this one dry.
This is not dried.
Not dry. A little sauce inside.
May sauce pala inside.
Here.
Yun pala to dry tapos hindi. Ngayon ko lang na-gets, hindi kami nagkaintindihan. So ito guys, meron tong chicken, right?
Yes, chicken.
Chicken, peanuts, tapos herbs.
Herb.
What is the...
Parilla.
Parilla. Tapos dried onion. Tapos merong carrots and mango. Diba?
Right.
Tapos, guys, share ko lang sa inyo. Ito, for 2 packs yung binuk ko. Kasi yung isa para sa kanya. Tapos ngayon itong isa para sa atin. Diba? Para dalawa tayong kumakain. Kaya, let's go. Let's eat it.
Mix it together.
Mix it?
Yeah.
Need to
mix all of it together.
Okay.
To dip in the sauce inside.
Ayun mo, kailangan i-mix siya. Kailangan itong i-mix. Dito ko nilagay yung camera para kita kami parehas sa frame. Sabi ko sa kanya, kumain siya para meron siyang good reviews. I told them that you need to eat for good reviews.
Alright, so together.
Good. Good. Parang pancit canton sa atin, actually.
You told me you tried it before?
Huh?
You told me you tried it before?
Yeah, I tried it before. And also, I almost forgot it because it's almost a year.
Almost a year?
Yeah, it's almost a year. The last time I tried this.
Oh.
Usually when I visit Vietnam, my priorities in your food is bún chả and banh mi only.
Yeah.
The priorities. That's why this one, I'm not always eating this kind of food.
Yes.
But it's good. Yeah.
Yeah. You can see just only the natural ingredient.
Yeah.
We can make it and we can blend all of the ingredient here because we are in a tropical climate, so we blend all the ingredient for the fruits in Vietnam, and it's not like savory, it's not too much spicy or too much sweet.
Masarap siya guys, hindi siya gaanong maalap, medyo parang may tamis akong nalalasahan, malinamnam siya. Tapos, maangingibabaw yung lasa ng onion kasi meron siyang dried onion. Aside from that, is yung mismo noodles niya malambot. And parang nga siyang pancit canton sa atin na masarap din. Na merong Vietnamese take, gano'n ang approach. Ito, i-rate ko to ng 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Oh my god. Something like that.
Yeah. But it's too many. Too many, only this is the second one.
The second
many
one.
Many more.
Many more. We have two more fruits. And one dessert and one drink.
The drink is in the train street or no?
Drink on street. Yeah.
Yung drink sa train street yun. May kasamang tubig. So guys, tinanong ako ni Dylan kung ano daw ba mas prefer ko. Kung yung dried or yung merong konting sauce. For me, I think both are different. Both are different, but I like this more for everyday. What do you call this? If the choice is to eat it every day.
Yes.
But this one for not every day.
Not so every day. That's popular.
Yeah, because this one is easier to eat. Yeah, and also to prepare. I think because only you will mix it all.
Yes.
This one you need to prepare like that.
Just right.
Yeah.
That reason why we got it for mixture.
Yeah.
This one is for roast.
Ito mas gusto ko guys kung pang araw-araw na kain. Pero ito, masarap naman siya. Don't get me wrong, this is delicious. But I prefer this one. Okay guys, mayroon tayong nakita dito mga Pinoy na Vietnamese outfit silang lahat. Okay. So ano kayo? Cooking lesson?
Food tour.
Okay.
Okay, I think
Only me, no uniform.
okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Hindi pala. Gamuan. Right? Gamuan. Thank you. Okay guys, ngayon naglalakad na tayo. Tapos na kasi tayo dun sa first and second food natin na kinain. At ngayon, what's the next, Dylan? What food?
We want to try the Vietnamese bread just named Bánh Mì.
Bánh Mì!
And sticky rice with ice cream.
Sticky rice with ice cream. So guys, itong banh mi natikman na natin. Pero yung sticky rice with ice cream, parang ngayon ko pa lang siya matitikman. Kaya ngayon, let's go! Ayan, so ito po, meron po tayo ditong tawag dito, listahan. Pero, siya na lang bahala na papiliin natin, okay? And parang feeling ko Hanoi signature banh mi na lang para the best. At ayan, okay, it's okay, it's up to you. Recommend the best.
Yes, I will give you
Choose the very best. The best pa, di ba? So ito, ang harapan nito is mall. Ayan, mall yan. Ay wait, ba't ayaw? Ay, ba't gano'n nag-zoom? Nagloloko ang ating camera ha. Ayan po. Actually, because of the food that we ate there, like dried and dried and a little saucy
sauce.
Yeah, I became full now. Guys, nakakabusog. Kaya if ever kayo, kung kayo ay magbubook ng tour na to, wag na kayo magbe-breakfast sa mismong hotel. Tapos wag na din kayo mag-lunch kasi yung tour na to parang ano siya, parang brunch na siya, ganung level, okay? So yun. Kasi guys, nabigla siya. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya kanina, di ba binook ko siya for 2. Sinabi ko yung isa, iti-take out ko kako dahil i-review ko. Pero ang totoo yun, para sa kanya. I'm telling to them that in the first time, what do you call this? I told you before that the second one is for take-out purposes. Yeah. But it's for you actually. Because I want you to eat.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah. Kasi guys, dati, na-try ko na to. Tawag doon, hindi ko makain yung isang kasama ko. Pero ngayon, gusto ko, pati siya kakain. And I told Dylan, if he finish the food every time that we eat, I will give him perfect score.
Yeah.
5 star. Yeah, 5 star. If he finish all the food that we eat.
Today is my first day. Just I can eat with my guests.
Yeah. Ito daw yung first time daw niya guys na kumain na may, na nag-book yung guest na for 2. Kaya ngayon, let's go. Finish na natin to kahit nakakabusog. Okay, next, ayan po ang ating food, signature banh mi. And actually, ito daw yung pinakamasarap actually, sabi ni Dylan. And how much usually this one cost, Dylan?
$55,000.
55,000 dong ito.
$2. Yeah.
So ngayon, let's eat. Ayan guys, o diba? Tapos sinabi niya, yung presyo daw na yun para lang daw sa ating mga hindi taga sa kanila. Pero sa kanila daw, mas mura daw itong binibenta. Okay? Okay, let's eat.
That's it.
Cheers! Cheers! Masarap siya, mainit siya. And, is it ham? What's inside? Pork? Pork and?
Herb.
Carrots.
A little carrots.
Yeah. This ham or sausage?
Patty.
Ah, okay. Patty.
And a little bit mine is pork.
Okay.
Yeah. And roast.
Roast, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, ayun.
That's it.
Sinabi na niya. Yun daw ang mismong ingredients nito. Ngayon kumain na muna tayo. Guys, di ba kinakain namin to? Kinuusap ako ni Dylan, sabi niya, I think I am full.
I'm full.
You're full. It's okay, that's the goal. We need to be full. Okay, take out ko na lang to. Can I take out this?
Of course.
Okay,
Yeah.
you take it out too. It's yours. O diba, ang saya? Ito, i-rate ko tong mismong banh mi dito ng 7 out of 10. Ano siya guys, parang nakukulangan ako dun sa loob. Pero okay lang, masarap naman. Okay? Pero yung service ni Dylan, perfect. Mabait siya. Madami siyang mga fun facts na sinasabi. Kahit alam ko na, pero sinasabi pa rin niya naman. Ito guys, yung next na food, ayan actually, ano siya, meron siyang sticky rice sa loob, yung color green, may ice cream, tapos may fresh coconut and dried coconut. Let's go! Cheers! Cheers! Okay, kainin na natin ulit ito. For the kain, ang buong tour natin na to. Again, huwag kayo kumain ng breakfast sa hotel.
You just spoon and take all the best.
Yeah.
Eat together.
Eat together.
Sticky rice, coconut mango, ice cream, and fried coconut.
Yeah. Actually, sticky rice is famous also in Thailand. Mango sticky rice, you know that?
Yes, I know that, and I tried it in the past.
Yeah, anong sarap? Nakakangilo. Sarap, but it's cold. Lumig.
And today is the winter.
Yeah. Ito pala yung best time na pagpunta sa Hanoi if ever kung gusto niyo magpunta. Date check, ngayon ay November 26. Malamig sa Hanoi.
How do you feel?
Me too.
I feel cold.
At nipan.
Chị ơi, cái anh này.
Okay guys, so nag-grab tayo ngayon. Sagot nila yung grab at andito na ngayon tayo sa Train Street. And we're going here? Okay. Let's go! Actually, ito din yung pinuntahan natin before, but at least we're back again. Welcome to Train Street, guys! Tignan nyo kung gaano kaganda, oh. Diba? Yan yun. Dan lang natin siya. Ito. Napakadaming tao dito. Nung para dati, nung punta natin dito, hindi ganito ka-wild. So, umupo na tayo ngayon dito sa gilid. And actually, hindi ito yung dati naming inupuan. But, I mean, hindi ito yung dati sa vlog natin. Bago siya. Hanoi 1990s. Itong mismong ating, what do you call this? Menu. And Vietnamese coffee. Ang meron dito, salt coffee, coconut coffee, egg chocolate, mango coffee. Post nyo lang para makita nyo. And actually, kung kunyari gusto nyo magpunta dito mag-isa, ito din yung nakikita ko sa TikTok. Dito tayo dinala ni Dylan. Yan. So, ang presyo, naglalaro sa 40,000 dong to 60,000 dong. So, tig-isa kami. Siya, coconut coffee, tayo egg coffee. Kasi diba yung coconut coffee gusto ko sa Nude Coffee natin titikman.
We are waiting for this time.
This time, 11:40
AM.
Okay. So, guys, ayun daw yung schedule ng mismo mga train.
Yes.
The first one is the 11:40.
Yeah, just right.
And the last one is this.
Just right. 9:50 p.m.
Okay.
Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times.
7 times train
Okay.
go here.
Yeah.
Okay. Tapos ayan guys, oh, 'di ba? Actually napuntahan na natin 'to. Napuntahan na rin natin. Yun pa lang napuntahan na natin 'yan. Ayan, tignan niyo oh. Ito yung itsura. Actually ang ganda dito sa side na 'to, oh. 'Di ba? Then dito din, ayan. Ito na ang ating drink. So ito, egg coffee and coconut coffee. Kay Dylan tong coconut coffee sa atin to. And this one costs around, how much is this again? Sorry?
50 to
60,000 dong. Ayan. Okay, so ngayon tikman na natin yung mismo coffee. Okay, you taste it too. Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Ah, hindi siya babasagin.
You wanna cheers like Vietnamese style?
How?
1, 2, 3, cheers.
1, 2, 3.
3 times.
1, 2, 3, cheers.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3, cheers. 1, 2, 3. Drink.
3 times.
Yeah.
Okay. And coffee. And coconut coffee.
Coffee.
Malamig. Ang tapang.
Yes. I forget you can mix together.
Okay.
Like it.
Diyos ko mamaya, aanuhin na naman tayo nito. Ng caffeine. Because I'm acidic. I'm acidic. What I mean is, whenever I drink coffee, you know that?
Yeah.
But it's okay because I'm here in Vietnam. Because I really love Vietnamese coffee.
So you can use the Vietnamese coffee?
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. I'm always trying Vietnamese coffee whenever I'm here.
Yeah. Any reason? Any reason?
Why?
Any reason?
For
coffee?
In Vietnam?
Yeah.
Because Vietnamese coffee is good.
It's not too strong.
Actually, it's strong.
Actually,
It's strong. I just want to drink coffee whenever I visit this country because to immerse myself to your culture, something like that, and for experience. Yeah. But my most favorite coffee, that's why I didn't order coconut coffee, is the coconut coffee from Note Coffee.
Note Coffee.
You know Note Coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Note Coffee.
Note Coffee.
In Salt Lake.
Yeah, in One Cam Lake.
Yeah, One Kim Lake.
One Cam Lake.
Or Salt Lake.
Salt Lake.
Salt is the English name. Yeah, One Kim Lake.
Diba? Kaya tayo nag-egg coffee dito kasi sa next vlog, yun yung itatry natin. Pero sa Note Coffee siya.
I like it. I try it every time I come to the coffee shop.
Yeah, that one? You're always trying that?
And the coffee with condensed milk.
Okay. Yun daw yung favorite ni Dylan dito. And if ever guys, kapag ka mag-book kayo na same tour sa akin, sa Klook, if ever, sa note doon, kapag ka message na kayo sa WhatsApp, i-request nyo, sabihin nyo ganun, I want Dylan as a tour guide. Ganyan yung ilagay nyo. Para if ever, siya yung ibibigay sa inyo ng tour operator. Tapos sabihin nyo sa kanya na nakita nyo siya sa vlog ko. Ganun. I told them to request you whenever they book the same tour, like
oh,
mine.
yes, yeah. Really?
To the WhatsApp tour operator.
Oh, yeah, so amazing.
Cheers. Hintayin na natin yung mismong train. So, itong mga mismong table na nasa harapan, mismong yung mga staff yung mag-move dito. Kasi, parang nakaganyan tayo mamaya dito. Kapag dumating dito yung mismong train, Kaya ito, ilalagay lang natin dito. Buti na lang, mayroong patungan dito, parang nag-serve as tripod natin. Kasi si Dylan, ibibigay ko sa kanya yung phone ko para naman sa TikTok version, tapos IG Reels. Ayun na guys yung train. Ito na ang the moment of truth, guys. Tingnan nyo lang reaction ko kasi sa TikTok ako focus muna ha. Sakto siyang sakto 11:40. Tumatayo pa yung mga nasa likod ko. Ba't kaya ka nagsisitayuan? Pagka inabangga niyan. Ayun na, narinig ko na.
1, 2, 3.
Don't stop it ha. Don't stop it.
Oh, something wrong.
Ay, can you use your phone? 0.5.
1, 2, 3.
I'll just cut it on my own.
Passenger train.
Yay! Okay, thank
Check
you.
it. I can draw for you.
Framing is good.
Yeah.
I hate my phone. I hate my phone so much. Nagloko yung cellphone ko. Buti na lang naka-iPhone si Dylan, guys.
Luckily, we have a...
Ayun no, meron tayo. Dito tayo naka-focus. Oh, ganap na ganap ako. Acting na acting ako kanina, guys. Nakita nyo? May pag-ganun-ganun pa ako. Super acting ako. I told them that my acting is so very crazy.
Crazy. Are you scared?
No, actually I'm not scared. I'm just doing it for acting purposes. Sabi ko sa kanya na uma-acting lang ako kasi para may drama lang sa TikTok. Di ba? Thank you. Can you air it?
Of course, yeah.
Okay, kailangan ko na mag-update ng iOS ko. Naglolo ko yung camera. Tingnan nyo 19 degrees dito ngayon sa Hanoi. Thank you so much. Yeah, come on. Come on.
Yeah, you speak very well.
Yeah. Okay, so tapos na tayo ngayon dito sa Train Street and lilipat na tayo sa next stop natin, which is malapit na lang yun. Doon sa ating hotel. Bye-bye Train Street. Bye-bye. Parang yung kape guys, parang umaatake na sa ating chan. Parang inaasin na tayo, ganun. Ito ang itsura sa labas ng Train Street. Yan po makikita nyo. And dito, sa likod ditong building na to, yun na yung Train Street. Nandito ngayon tayo sa pinaka-final stop natin. Kaya lang sarado yung restaurant. Kaya ngayon naghahanap si Dylan ng alternative. Okay? Alam niyo yung feeling na busog na kayo tapos yung inaantok na kayo sa busog. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, guys. Pero meron pang isa. Sayang naman, nabayaran natin yun. Kaya itodo na natin to. Lalakad na naman tayo. Let's go. Sundan natin siya. Ayun na yung ating hotel. Nadaanan na natin. Nakakatuwa naman. Kasi ito po ay isang walking tour again. Tulad sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung kayo po ay mahilig maglakad at okay lang din naman para habang kumakain kayo, after nun is yung pagkain is bababa, ganyan. This tour is perfect for you. Pero kung hindi, kung kayo bahala kung ano gusto niyo, kunyari pwede kayo mag-grab, ganyan, or what. Ayan, dito ngayon tayo.
Video for the making.
This one. Ito siya, guys.
This one equals the broth.
Okay.
And they put it on the steamer.
This one. Okay. It looks like a crepe.
Bọn nhà cô có một bánh cuốn này, một bánh cuốn 25 được không ạ? Được em, 25. Nhà cô có món gì nữa không?
Guys, ito yung paggawa ng steam rice rolls nila. Ano siya? Bangkong. So, ini-steam yan. Ganyan po ang paggawa. Baga, ito po ay mixture ng rice. Tapos may egg ganyan, ini-steam, ganun. Ayan, so ngayon makikishare tayo ng table kasi ganun din naman yung kultura nila dito. So meron dito mga dahon-dahon, meron dito, hindi ko alam kung soup to o sausawan. Then, hintayin natin yung order, chat. So, Dylan, what is that food?
Just named steamed rice rolls.
Okay.
The people use the rice and powder it with like a water broth.
Water broth.
Take it in the steamer.
Okay.
Yeah, and roll it after 1 minute. The one reason why we call it steamed rice rolls.
How much usually that one cost?
$25,000.
$25,000.
One dish like this.
Oh, okay.
Only $1.
Okay.
Yeah, and inside the water paper just eat mushroom.
Mushroom.
The mine is pork.
Pork.
Yes, and ear oot.
Iut?
Ear oot.
Ear.
Ear.
Ear, okay.
Ear oot.
Ear oot.
Yeah, and this one is fried
Onion.
and a little bit that is the mine is pork.
Pork. Okay.
That's all.
Okay, let's go.
If you want to show it, just only dip it in sauce.
That's how we eat it.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Dip it in sauce.
Okay, kumain na tayo guys. Ayan guys, ito po ang ating food for today's video. So, hindi ko natatapat yung mukha ko at lagi niyo naman ako nakikita. So, ito po. Ayan siya. So, i-dip natin siya. 25,000 dong siya. I-dip natin. And dip, right? Dip.
How did you feel?
It's good. It's good. Guys, mas masarap to kumpara dun sa nakain natin yung una. Yung unang tour, food tour. Mas masarap to ito ang Redemption Ear. So, ang lasa niya, parang malambot to na lumpia wrapper. Pero rice wrapper siya. Na in-steam. Tapos ito may onion, may pork. Pork?
Pork.
Tapos fried onion.
Fried onion.
I finished it already.
You wanna eat more?
No.
I can call it more for
No,
you.
it's okay. Nahiya ako na ubos natin agad. Okay siya. Sarap. Mas nagustuhan ko siya kung parang nakaraan. Okay guys, so tapos na ang ating food tour and so far nag-enjoy ako and so far nasarapan ako sa mga pagkain na dinala sa atin ni Dylan. So ngayon magpapaalam na tayo kay Dylan. Dylan, say goodbye to our audience.
Bye.
And invite them to book the same tour.
Yeah, thank you so much. Welcome you guys to my country.
Yes.
As let me know, I would lead you to explore Hanoi, especially Hanoi food tour.
Yeah. And guys, if ever ko ibubook nyo to, yung link nasa ibaba para same tour tayo. And also, kapag ka ibinook nyo siya, aside from ginamit nyo yung code ko, is kapag ka minessage kayo yung mismo WhatsApp, yung tour operator, i-request nyo na, I want Dylan as tour guide. Ganun. Para siya ibigay sa inyo. So, ayan, usually, kapag ka kasi private tayo, nagbibigay tayo ng konting pa sa salamat sa kanila. So, usually ako, ang binibigay ko, 200,000 sa pera nila. Thank you so much.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much. And I hope you had fun too.
Yeah,
And
I'm
full.
really fun.
Full.
I'm full.
Yeah, okay. Come on.
Come on.
And what's goodbye in Vietnam?
Ta Biệt.
Ta Viet?
Yeah, Ta Biệt.
Ta Viet.